What's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be installing the OEM 2024 airbag on my 2022 Genesis G70. As you guys know, on the 2024 year model, they ended up changing it to a full leather airbag, change of logo, or wing, should I say, a redesigned wing, and the stitching is also part of it. So this is a coral red. This should match the red interior of the Genesis G70. There is a brighter one if you guys want to go with a brighter one, which I call race red. It's much brighter than this one, which is almost close to what you see on my steering wheel stitching. The installation is fairly easy on this. This is a direct OEM replacement. This is not a third-party made. This is actually a Genesis OEM airbag. Connections and everything is OEM. The install is pretty straightforward. You guys have seen me install my carbon fiber steering wheel twice already, so definitely refer to that for the removal of the airbag. But it's 3 retentions, which I've explained before. So there's a retention here, so you come in with a screwdriver angled and you want to push on this. Same thing on these sides here. Same thing, you come in and you push on these retentions, which are located here. So you come in with the screwdriver, you have to turn your steering wheel, you come in, you kind of push on this, come in, turn around the steering wheel again to get at this angle, and you push, and the one at the bottom. So I have a video already describing how to remove this. Definitely check it out. I will link it on the description as well for easy access, but pretty straightforward. So connections come off fairly easy with some 2 retentions that you have to push up, and each connector comes. It's color coded, matches the OEM ones which are there. So we're gonna do a close-up, install it, and see the final result. All right, fairly easy. So you guys can see, here's the connections, and this is what I was talking about. These little orange pins, or retentions should I say, you have one on each side. In order to release these connectors, you have to push them up. So you will need a flathead screwdriver to maneuver one and the other one, but you basically want to push up. But to install it, once it's done, it's just really a push on it and it automatically locks in. So let's put this in here. That's the pink one, again color coded. You have this one here, then the last one is this brown connector here, which goes right here. So hard to tell because I got to push in the airbag a bit. But it only goes in one direction, so you want to go ahead and clip this cable here, which is where the OEM was. And just secure it. I'm limited on space here, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish that, and then we push in the airbag. All right, we go ahead and we spin it. Go ahead and center it, and remember, you're gonna go ahead and push in the 3 secure clips, so make sure you get a good lock in on all 3. There's 1, and there's 2, and I think I got the bottom one. Yep, there you go. So there you have it. So you guys can see the contrast here. So on the carbon fiber steering wheel, This is more of the higher red or brighter red, and then this here will actually kind of match more of the interior red if you have a red interior, and it's the coral red. If you have the black with the red stitching, I believe is on the brighter side. So but again, you guys can see the two different one. I think either one works, and that is it. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boost the Whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day. Again, this is available at boostthewhips.com under the Genesis G70 category. Let's go ahead and make this official, and we'll wrap it up. Boom. Have a nice day.